So welcome back to Running Factory. And in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now, the reason why Jamaicans are running more faster than any other athlete from other countries has finally been exposed. Now, in this video, we will be focusing on why Jamaicans have the fastest sprinters in the whole wide world. Among the 184 countries in the world, Jamaica happens to be one of the smallest nations, and yet it has been able to produce some of the top sprinters in the world. So I went on a deep research and I came to find out the real and true reason why Jamaicans are so fast. And the reason behind why they are so fast is actually so shocking. Now, there are probably two reasons why Jamaican sprinters are so fast. Jamaican athletes are so fast. Now, the number one reason is because Jamaicans are originally originated from Africa. Now they have this African blood in them. They are from the West Africa, and it is usual. If you look at the West African athlete, they are also quite fast. If the West African athlete from Nigeria, Ghana, and all African countries in West Africa will get a good coaching system, they will also perform just like the Jamaicans. So I feel like the number one reason why the Jamaicans are running so fast is because they are originated from Africa, especially the West African region. Now, the second reason why Jamaican athletes are so fast is because they are very hardworking and their coaching system is very good. What I mean is they have the coaches that have a lot of experience, and the athletes themselves, I feel like they are putting the hard work that is needed to be put in order to stand out and also to run fast. So I feel like the Jamaicans athlete, another reason why they are running fast is because they are very hardworking and they are very focused on what they want to achieve, and they are very disciplined. Let me know what you think in the comment section.